So today I was talking to a homeowner who had his retaining walls constructed at the same time that he had his driveway poured. So the same contractor did both. And the driveway looks great. It's in great shape. The walls are leaning pretty significantly at this point. I think that it's been about 13 years, he said. And the walls aren't even that tall, and they're really, really leaning. And he suspects that there isn't proper compaction. He said there was gravel behind the wall. When somebody says gravel, and I didn't investigate further, but gravel could be rounded material or it could be angular. Different people call it different things. So it could be the wrong material. I don't know how much gravel is behind there. And he suspected that the base hadn't been properly compacted. So lack of proper base compaction and lack of proper drainage behind it, the wall, are really the two big things that can go wrong, or a combination of those. And so he was talking about how it was advantageous at the time to have the same contractor come in and do both. And I understand that it's really appealing to not have two different contractors on that. And because the walls are adjacent to the driveway, it seems like it's kind of one project. But what tends to happen, and it's been my observation, that guys who do concrete work, they're really, really good at the flat work. And it's a very specific skill set to in a speed project that concrete doesn't wait for you to get to it to set up. So you have to be quick. Everything about it is quick. And retaining walls, when I see a concrete company, or primarily concrete company, install retaining walls, there are a lot of mistakes being made. And just because they are still both under that masonry umbrella doesn't mean that they are the same skill set. Walls take time, and they are slow and steady. They're not a hurry up kind of a project, at least not if you want them to last for any period of time. So I would caution you, and based off of this homeowner's experience, that just because they are concrete products, that doesn't mean they are the same skill set, and not every contractor is fit for that. I think there is when it comes to interior remodeling, we know that an electrician's going to do your wiring, a plumber's going to do your plumbing, and we're picking contractors that stay in those lanes, and we understand that specialization. When it comes to the outdoors, however, I've noticed a trend that landscaper is synonymous with an outdoor handyman. So just a jack of all trades is going to come in, clean your gutters, power wash your house, build your walls, pour your concrete, plant some plants, whatever it is. And instead of taking a look at that as each of these items is its own specific skill set and requires different tools, requires different know-how, and again, speed. Concrete is really fast. You get the adrenaline pumping, get in there, you have to beat the concrete. Walls, everything's slow and steady. There's no rushing a wall if you want it to last.